In this video, we're going to cover an AI chatbot for products, something that many websites have, and an AI chatbot that can intelligently answer questions about those products. Step one in the process is preparing all of that product information. It could be spreadsheets of data from products, it could be product spec sheets, it can be FAQs. Nearly anything and nearly any type of document, from Word docs to PDFs to Excel spreadsheets, can be loaded. Now, after you have organized your data, the next process is training the AI. Now, first we've loaded a spreadsheet of the product information. Now, here's an example of product FAQs, text in Word document format. And let's just do an example of a product spec sheet, and that's in PDF format. Let's just click on that just so you can see what that looks like. These are many different examples of the types of documents it can learn from, including pointing it to a URL to read a website. Now we're going to configure the chat widget, and we can configure text and colors, and here we're going to add a hex code for a color of blue. We'll skip the other configuration, but there's a lot more. Next is preview, and you can see what it looks like and play around with your configuration until you like it. You can also test it. You have a free trial to be able to test your data and see the answers. When you like it and you're ready to go ahead and complete the purchase. We'll skip the purchase part, but at the end, this is what happens. You get the code that you place on your website. You take that line of code and you add it to your website, and the AI chat appears. First as an icon, and when you click on that icon, it opens to the chatbot. And here we're going to ask it questions. That first question, it answered it from the product spec sheet. The second question, it's getting the information from the spreadsheet. And notice now that we can even ask it a question in another language, like Spanish, and it'll answer it in that language.